Hi everyone, this is a step-by-step guide on how to open the Xiaomi Poco X3 series mobile phone. First, need proper tools to open the device, which are listed in the description. Next, turn off the phone and eject the SIM tray, and then begin removing the back cover. To separate the back cover, gently heat the edges until the adhesive softens. We are using a heating pad for this process. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to loosen the adhesive. Once heating is complete, use a suction cup to create a small gap between the frame and the back cover. To make the process easier, use the suction cup near the bottom edge of the cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or similar tool to gently cut through the adhesive around the edges. This process will take time and needs patience. Next, gently separate the back cover from the phone's body. Next, remove the board frame by undoing 11 screws. Next, unplug the battery connector on the left hand side.